Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to read aloud in Outlook. So if you want to enable and you want to read aloud your mail in Outlook, so in this home tab click on read aloud. Read text out loud and highlight each word as it's read. So just click on it. I have some error, in my case it's not working, but this is the method you can enable. Just click on this read aloud. Thanks for watching and comment if you are facing the same error. I will try to resolve this problem in the second video.